Welcome to Vlogmas from Paris, day number 7. It was raining and I was gonna film in rain. Look, one umbrella. And there we go. Chantal goes in 360 or uses her cam. And there we go, we have the sun coming through the clouds. So this is a nice effect. We are on Place de la République. Place de la République where, if you watch this in the premiere, tomorrow most likely there will be demonstrations. So let's enjoy this while possible, because tomorrow we're gonna be on lockdown. But anyway, so we have time to practice for the pavlova for Christmas. Pavlova is a New Zealand Australian dessert. The New Zealand is safe from New Zealand and Australia is safe from Australia. And this is the Marianne, which stands for égalité, liberté and fraternité. That's how I say it. I say it right. I'm always confusing the languages. Anyway, so this is the Marianne. And there were demonstrations of the lycée, of the high school kids earlier today. That's why you still see a little sign there. But anyway, let's go for a little walk. Maybe over Rue du Temple. Rue du Temple, then we pass by some stores and shops, and it's gonna be nice. And we walk towards the sun. And I will walk towards my coffee. But let's do something funky first. Look. Splash, splash. Don't slip over the bananas. They have been putting already all sorts of slogans on here. I will not repeat them. They have to do with Macron and blah blah blah, you know, the president of France. Here you can see the statues. Little people. Yeah, the Vlogmas actually goes really well. Many people start to watch. Well, it's not many. It's not like thousands of people. But I get a lot of positive feedback, which is nice. Of course, because I'm filming it mainly with the cam from Candao, which is a 360 camera and very easy to use in a vlog. Look at the screen. Let's go. And many people don't understand that it's actually quite easy to use a 360 camera because you have to edit less, so it's easy. It's raining. That's dangerous, dude. Sorry. Those one-wheel things. Yeah, so there's lots of movement. Paris is preparing for tomorrow because we don't know what's going to happen. We need to stay home. That's what they told us. And yeah, the banks, they've closed them. Yeah, this one was already closed, but they've put fences in front. Oh, they have Christmas. No Christmas trees today, I'm afraid. Oh no, maybe we have Christmas trees. At Arts-et-Métiers. We can go check out. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go check out the Statue of Liberty, because there's 5 Statues of Liberties in Paris. So let's go wish her a happy Vlogmas. Chittity chat, and probably I'm going to montage all sorts of happy sounds behind it again. If you guys have any idea of libraries with free music, like with free copyright music, let me know, because then I'm going to download them and see if they're right for Vlogmas. Ta-da! There she is! The Statue of Liberty. So this is one that comes out of the original cast, which is of course smaller. And we have 5 of these in Paris. So there's one here parked outside, the really original one, is inside of the church. Then there is one in Jardin de Luxembourg, one in the Seine, and then we have one in the entrance of Musée d'Orsay. So that is 5 statues of liberties in Paris, and then there's many over France and many in the world. So yes, New York, you have the biggest one, but there are many others. But she's lovely, isn't she? So this is Art et Métier. I believe that the idea was that she was gonna be underground, but well, she's above the ground. So I don't know what happened. This is a museum. It is all about inventions, innovations, sorry, not inventions, innovations. And yeah, I always like to go here because the Statue of Liberty is magic. And it looks like I'm in New York, sort of. New York, New York. Okay, time for coffee. So here we are on the terrace in Paris, and I want my coffee. I promised this to you guys for so long, to have a coffee on the terrace. The only thing is a little bit annoying is the menu in front of me, because there is a metro station that goes right down, so you can people watch. But I didn't want to go on the front row because it's too cold. And like here, I'm also a little bit protected if people want to steal my stuff. You know what I mean. I have 2 phones, 2 iPhones. I have 2 360 cameras in my bag, so I want to hold on to it all. And also what I just figured out, that my cam, let me just take a sip of my coffee. That my Cookcam can go also in landscape mode. I thought it was only in portrait. Yeah, but it works in landscape, so I can see you guys now. Or no, I can't see you, but I can see what you see. Me, you know what I mean. So it's quite nice. I'm covered in my pink scarf, but I think the lights are nice because of the heaters. Oh, that's a nice effect. You know, it always works, and then I put like some nice Christmas music behind it again. And as a real French person, you drink water with your coffee because it just tastes. You know, you're mixing it. Can you look into my coffee? So this is a noisette. A noisette is a little espresso with a tiny little bit of milk. So it turns, the color is like a noisette, like a little nut. That's why it's called a noisette. And that lady next to me is not happy. You see it? She's going to leave in 5 minutes. How nice. I can even see how long I've been filming, 2.5 minutes. So I can time actually my vlogs, because I like to have vlogs from, I'm spitting, from around 10 minutes. So I filmed 1.5 minutes at the Statue of Liberty. I filmed 4.5 minutes at the Place de la République. So now if I can have like 4 minutes of content, then we have 10 minutes. She's so smart. So how are we going? 3 minutes. So I need to talk 1 more minute. I can count down from 60 to 1. Yeah. No, this is actually gonna be a fun little vlogging thing. I was thinking the whole time when I started the Vlogmas from Paris that I wanted to do more like chatting to the camera, not only like walking around and showing you guys stuff. So I think it's time that you guys are gonna ask questions. So put questions in the box for next Vlogmases. So this is Vlogmas number 7. We have to go to 24. 17 more to go, so I have many left to answer questions. So ask me questions and I will see if I will answer them. I don't guarantee. And it's weekend again, so tomorrow hopefully I can have Bobby participating in Vlogmas, and maybe the husband, but I'm not sure. And don't forget, if you want your Christmas postcard, become a patron. Patreon.com/ChantalTV, because then you go into Discord, you get into a private Periscope group, and if you have an issue with the whole system, you can also request another way to become part of our Patreon family. So that's about it. My big mission before 2000, I wanted to say, but that's already 19 years ago, is to get to 1,000 followers soon. I am on 450, I believe. So let's do this with Vlogmas. Let's get to over 1,000. I'm very optimistic because I only collected 200 people over the last year, and I did like 80 360s a day. So come on, we can do it. Share, care, sponsor, because I do this with love into my content. So I want to say, how long have I been chatting? 5 minutes. So we have enough content now for a 10-minute vlog. Thank you for watching. We're gonna see each other tomorrow. I'm gonna brace myself because we have the lockdown tomorrow. We have a Christmas tree and we can cook and make pavlovas and stuff. So it's gonna be okay. Thank you for watching, everybody, and see you tomorrow.